Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. When do we create they're buying stuff on bad news. They keep buying stuff on bad news, okay? You just have to understand this. Let me tell you, FedEx earnings, not good. They're gonna go lower because it's not getting better. They just told you that. Nike, not good. They're both way, 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 way higher, okay? Doesn't matter what I think. I'm just telling you that's the reality. That just means they're taking things up. Today, Tesla is better, so it looks better. Tesla looks better, but here's the thing. There's an article out there, and I don't know if it's real. He's starting layoffs. Interesting, right? So what does that mean? Does it pop to say 150 pin area, and then it just sits there? But layoffs are starting. So layoffs are starting everywhere. So you would think that next month's numbers for CPI, PPI, jobs, all those are better next month, probably. Now, once again, if you're getting severance, are you reported and how you're reported? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. So keep that in mind, okay? SPX is up, 23. So let's say 23 here, puts it at 38.50, right at 38.50. So it looks like JP Morgan has a monster position at 38.35. So are they selling it around that position? Do they let it take it way up? Do we rip the 3,900 and 4,000? Or do we completely break down? What I know is there's a cliff under 3,800. If it breaks, we go straight down, and we go down hard, okay? Now, back to Tesla. So remember Facebook, Meta. They told you things are bad, and it goes down. And then they say they're going to lay off people, and it goes up, right? Went up significantly. So now you go to Tesla. They're telling you, this article, that they're going to lay off people, and it goes up. Interesting, right? But if you're laying off people, does anything get better, right? Does it get better? I don't know. I don't think so. So I don't think so, right? So it's just a coffee maker. So interesting. So let's see. But it's down a lot, so it could easily pop. If it gets legs, it goes to 150 pin. If it breaks down, it's only up 2. For something that's down $10, $12 a day every day, only up 2 is not great. Okay, we have now calls, so that one looks really good. Interesting. And Boeing looks like it's breaking up. Does Boeing get to 200? Maybe not. So that's what I know. Netflix went up on bad news. So maybe they want to take this thing up on bad news, but it's not flying. It's doing better. Up 25 now. But you're right at 38.50. Well, remember, every time these things go up and they come back down. But FedEx looks better. It's up. Regardless of the news, it's up. Micron reports today. They're going to say bad stuff too. But the last 2 times they said bad stuff, it goes up too. So just know that. These are going up, but they're not going up a lot. Nike is up nicely. It's up 10. It's a nice move for Nike. What else? That's all I see. Now could easily, if it moves, get to 400. That'll get us what? $8, $9 on those 39 or 395. Very nice. So let's see how that plays out. That's what we know. Okay, let's get started here. Hold on, comments, questions. Been bearish Tesla since 313 with small plays to the upside. Long way. Bought some shares first time under 140. Nice. Okay. Very interesting. You're gonna get that note from Electric that says Tesla's going to do layoffs all over the market today. Okay? Interesting. So one other thing about people saying if he leaves Twitter, here's the thing. He knows what's going on with the stock. Don't think he doesn't know on Tesla. Does he care, doesn't care? I don't know. Everybody is their individual, right? You have to understand what do people care about, what do they not care about. Everybody has their own idea, okay? So based on that, that's what happens, okay? That's what we know, Okay, let's get started here. Good morning, everybody. 12:21. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see, okay? Nice pop. SPX looks like it's going to go. Do we get a run? Are we down a lot? They like FedEx. They like Nike, but they like everything. No matter what, they like it. Doesn't matter, okay? Doesn't matter what you think. If they just, for today, they seem to like it. If we go negative, we go way negative. But yesterday, very interesting, if you're watching the SPX and Apple in tandem means at the same time, Apple hit 130. Perfect 130. And SPX hit 3,800. And they both popped. Within 5 minutes, they popped Apple $3. And then, boom, they moved SPX $38. Okay? Interesting. And remember, last week, Goldman Sachs notes are all over the place. Who knows? One analyst says this, one analyst says this at Goldman Sachs. They're all over the place. One analyst says monster gamma all the way up to 4,200 possible by end of year. Wow. Just crazy, right? So don't know what's real. Another one says, yesterday it comes out late, it says the Bank of Japan will take out negative interest rates from their forecast very soon. So, I mean, they raise the range plus or minus 0.5 from plus or minus 0.25. So now they're going to take out the negative side of it. Interesting. Government stimulus bill, $1.7 trillion. I don't know what's in it. I see a lot of shady stuff people are posting that's in it. But here's the reality. If it passes, that means there's more government spending. Then how does inflation go down if there's more government spending? Right? Okay? So just keep an eye on that. Know that. Okay? Interesting. Okay, SPX up 25. You got 3,900. Nice round number up. 3,800. Nice number down. 3,835 is where JP Morgan is. So that becomes a big number. And there's 3,881. Every time it gets over 3,881, makes a beeline to 3,900. Then we see. Okay? Avago, 551. So interesting play here. Micron earnings. If for some reason they take Micron up on the same thing that they're doing FedEx and stuff, then you got Micron. You can go Avago up because Avago was at 551, and you can go Lam Research down. So you can be on both sides, and one of those are going to move 10 to 15 points. Okay, so you got Avago 551, 572, NVIDIA 166, 172 underneath 151, FDX 176, 181, Lam Research 431, 422, 472 upside. Goldman Sachs 351, 356 underneath 341. Nike 116, 121. They may buy into Nike. So keep an eye on that. They may just continue to rip it up higher. Apple 136, 139, 138 was a cliff. It went all the way to 130. Amazon 87, 91 underneath 83. Wow, 83. Micron 56 up, 44 down. Microsoft 251 up, 238 down. Snowman 146 up, 136 down. Netflix 296 up, 296, 301 underneath 281. CrowdStrike doing nothing. 111, 109. We told you this would get to 109, and it did. Zscaler 117, 121 underneath 91. Baba can't get through 91 underneath 82. Boeing trying to break up. This one may go 191, 196, 191, 196 underneath 186. NOW, this one can go 396, 401, 409. If it gets 409, we'll get 15 for those. It'll be a nice play. MDB, very strong, 206, 211. Tesla, 141, 146. Elon says Tesla stock a nice buying opportunity. Deere, 442, 444. Moderna really, really moved well. Looks better. 209, 216. And that's what we know. That's what we know. That's what we know. Okay? See how this plays out. SPX is doing better. Do we pop and drop? I don't know. Just it's a crazy market out there. So kind of chill. We're buying way less. We're buying 10 and 15 contracts and stuff instead of buying 50 and 100. So just chill. Everybody have a great trading day. See you, chat.